Hey loves. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A lot has happened. I will get to it when I can. I'm actually going out right now. I'm going to a date, but this is an informal date, but I'm going to a date with a female. So my life. So I thought that it's just men that I'm open to seeing, but it's a long story. I'll come share the story after I think the date. So I'm going on the date right now. It is with a very gorgeous lady. So she seems to be interested in me. Please don't mind my dental issues, guys. So I'm actually going there right now. So I will give you the scoop as soon as I come back or when I can. But the question is, am I open to dating the other sex? Because she's a beautiful woman. She's gorgeous. If you see me, you see her. And you see her, you see me. So I don't know, guys. So I'm going on a date, but this time it's not with a man. So allow us to introduce baby girl. Guys, Tusang. Phone ya ka ifetso love ya no moshimana wa phonela ariki famba ka yena ka riki tsileki ke nahana ho to tjangwanyana ke ye ko mshimaneng. Oh my lord, oh damn it, oh shit. Rietsa byang mara bathong ye. Don't you think we can kill two birds with one stone? Because baby girl, she's taking me to Groove, and then okay, Agmazi, and it's the same basically area. Like, guys, we have a lot to talk about. Okay, let me listen to my heart, because that's what's gonna tell me what to do. But it's so tricky. It's December. This is the life I manifested. You know what I mean? Oh, Trusang Batwaka, Trusang Moscata Boliki Waka, yo! Line is this. Okay, let me be serious. Mfana intombazana. Mara sifuna ukudla imali yentombazana size ukuthi taste kanjani. Mara, let's go arrange. Guys, you know what? Let me ningangijudge ne. Siyayenza lento. Angisho lento siyayenza. Sisonke we are in this together ne. Siyayenza. Ngizonibona in a few minutes. Sengidrive. Okay. You're not gonna judge me. I am at I don't know where I'm at. Okay, I know where I'm at. Okay, Umbana is opening for me. So guys, inside Jola. Morning guys. So 8 o'clock man, I'm driving home. I said ko engilesini endlula le ukuthi nje ngike abafana. So izolo ngambile ne ngahamba, I ended up emfaneni. Mangisafika emfaneni kanti igirlfriend yomfana iyenze itip off nama security egate. Akusogijinyiswa kanje. Bengihlela emotweni yami ngizivalele ngileli la esithini because ugirl ufikile izolo kwadliwa. Apparently the girl is pregnant and the guy didn't know. So I am so disorientated. Like utshwala buyenhloko izolo we were having vodka and I am fucked. Like nyagoa guys. Nyagoa, I'm going through the most. So in things they look zonitshela yona ukuthi Mr. Gucci, like mina naye, it's the end of the story yabo. because I don't think I want this type of drama in my life. He came for a consultation and we concluded that I am not going to be the one that is assisting him with his spiritual debacles and stuff, and my reasons are genuine, you know. But I gave him a full consultation, like sahlala, we sat in the Ndumba for like a fucking hour, you know. But I don't know what happened. My heart and then I don't know what happened. Like, I think Namiji Mutilaila, you know what I mean? So I'm going back home now, as shameful as it is. Mangne strength in story. So my girlfriend, I'm supposed to see her today, but I don't know what's gonna happen because go busy today. Like, it's another day. But Mr. Bouquet uthe ufuna ukumbona today. Ngithole text yakhe vele manje kuseni. So I'm going to see Mr. Bouquet today. But indaba yami nje naloya guy loya ayengeke isasebenza, like angeke isasebenza. Ungidisappointile, ungiphoxile umfana, wangibukisa ngesizwe South Africa, yangibukela bonani nginjani, cabanga mina nginje, wiki yami inje. So ngimfaka ngiyampolitika. Guys, matter what was I thinking here? We had Savannah, and then we had vodka, and then we had shots. What was I thinking? Like, ngiphi izolongiphendula kula busisi laba abathi mababona utshwala bamahala baphuze yonke. Cela ngicela ukuthi kunjani tu. No fucking way. Ngize ngibone izitha zami ninje yazi. Like ngize ngibone izitha zami zihleke. What is this? Like, I'm driving to Chicken Lick. Ngiyabona ukuthi angeke ngifike la ngiyakhona. I'm critical. I don't know what those. Guys, I'm dying. Yo, yeah. I'm driving to Chicken Lick right now. I'm going to buy wings. I'm perishing. Like, what was I thinking? Like, today I don't want alcohol. I'm going to Jwala. I wasn't going to feel like I think it's all I was just too excited. And then one thing led to the other, and then that's where I'm at. So especially mina nalesikhemeriso somfana lesi, we're minding our own business, yabo. I'm so sorry guys, my shit is the worst. Ugeli ungivulile ungenile kitini because ukhipha itojo ukuthi ama security guards angimhlele yaphuthisa. Ukhiphe itojo ukuthi bamvulele lamagadi laya, and they open for her. Ungena kanje sihleli no guys sisakhohlisana, we are lying to each other, and then she comes in boiling. Baby yakhe angabetha ugel azanga spoon. Like, I think mangadla ngizoba nomdlandla wokucoca yo. Ugel asibonise ama flames. Afika lahlela ugayi nge-pregnancy test. I-pregnancy test yakhona banginikeze yona mina ukuthi ngiyibone, yabo. So ugel vele makangena ungene nale nto siyamtho, yabo. Yo, mina vele ngiyasaba guys indaba. Ngiyasaba novela ku-cutting edge. Ngavele ngatshobela vele mina. Into engiyenzile uthe mase ngicala aphula izinto because uphula ama-perfume akagayi lapha endlini. Indlu yonke nje nginuka ama-perfume. Yazi I don't know what is happening to that girl. Like, as much as through mele busi inyama bayenze ihlale like ngisayokhuluma ngithi ngifuna inyama yo isikhathi inyama shit guys angazi ngigcine ngifida kanje khani ibheke ndekhe but asifuna ukusuka endleleni. Mo order ama-wings ngalesikhathi uvele kucace vele ukuthi awulelanga to. Hello. Hi. Ngicela ungenzele i-feed my craving ne? Feed my craving. Yona kuphela? Yeah. Ngisentshocela ke bangani bami ugirl afika aphula ama-perfume laphayana ukhozi drama so vele mina angisumuntu violent. I was not even bothered by the things she was doing. Instead I was just bored. It's like, what are you doing, you know? You can fight with your man but not like that. Oh, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a new day and I just came from the date with the beautiful lady, right? I have not been on a date, a romantic date. Like I'm calling it a romantic date because I was with a female today and I dressed up, look good. This is my outfit. This is how I look. I'm wearing a dress. And I didn't think that I was gonna enjoy hanging around another female like I did. And for the fact that she's attracted to me and even sexually attracted to me, that was, you know, that thing. But I feel like after today's conversation, it made me feel like probably some of us, we are literally on the DL. Like, I feel like probably we are on the DL, guys. But I really like that. And I did tell her that, look, I have not, you know, been in such a situation. And I don't want to write you off. I want to give you a chance so that you can actually get to know each other. So I don't know if a relationship can come from this because I think we can honestly make good friends, me and her. So, oh baby girl, she came in guns blazing and we had a good time. So she got me flowers. As you can see, I feel cute and special and stuff, and a gift. So I'm gonna open it where I get home, and then we're gonna take it from there. And then yeah, and let's see what happens, guys. I don't want to judge her. I don't want to be off, you know. We met at such an awkward space, but for the fact that she respected me and took my numbers, I thought it's one of those, you know, pretty girls love pretty girls, but there is a relationship here that is supposed to be brewing, and I don't know how to feel because I don't know. And she's so feminine, but today she just made me so feminine. Like she's so feminine but so masculine. So it was a brainer. Like, people are looking at me, I'm vlogging, guys. So I'm just happy that I gave her the opportunity. So nina madoda nentombazana, ninentombazana namadoda. I'm gonna see you guys later. Enjoy the rest of this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Please make sure that everyone in your household has subscribed to my channel, whether they watch it or not. Make sure that the TV, the dog, like Yonkinto is subscribing, because we are literally on a road to 100,000 YouTube subscribers. So I'll see you later, guys, and take care of yourselves. And I think word of the day is love doesn't have a gender. Love doesn't have a gender. I feel like I just met my Mayvon. I think I met my Mayvon because I don't know how I feel. Hey babies, it's been a weird couple of days. I know, speaking for myself, but I thought I should just come and update you what's been happening, because I know the vlog is literally vlogging. So I have made a personal decision that Mr. Gucci, I think I'm done with him. I think he's outstayed his welcome. And right now, he's holding on to this thing that Mina and I, we have a spiritual connection. No, baby, we don't. You just need help. You need help, you know, and I can't give you that help. So after that altercation, because we were just chilling and then the girlfriend happened to show up. If there's one thing about me, I'm not a dramatic girl, and I eat drama nyayisaba. And he made me experience drama, you know, and I'll never forget that. You know, in everything, don't involve me in drama if you got baby drama, because I don't have baby daddies. My baby daddies died. So if you're gonna come into my life, you're not gonna experience any of those things. So why are you putting me through that? So Mr. Gucci is out of the picture until further notice, you know. But I feel like imali yamakutumela yona another thing you would see. Once you get it, you can't get enough, because after the whole debacle, after I got home, Besenkula and put on my wings, I got a message from him as he sent me money. Yeah, understand? So imali yamakutumela, guys, I don't know, but we'll just see what happens. On the other hand, we have baby girl. Like I said, I came from a date with her yesterday, and she's good people, and I feel like I would like to hang out with her a couple of times and see if really can, you know, something kind of come out of that. And to be quite honest with you, I don't personally feel like I'm in a good space for relationships. I feel like I want to dedicate the rest, basically the first half of the year, to me healing, rediscovering myself. And right now, any relationship that I'm going into, a relationship December, you can't spend December alone. You need to be busy. Your roster needs to be busy. Abafana, the boys and girls need to keep us busy. So I think I'm just gonna keep her around for the vibes. But one thing she said she watches my vlogs, and that was a turn off for me. Why are you watching my vlogs? When you see me, you're supposed to see new angel stock. You understand that? Don't come here and want to be part of my experiment, because now I feel also I attract people that want to be popular, that want to be famous, and I think she's gonna get infatuated by the whole thing that I'm talking about her. So I don't know, baby girl, if you're gonna be watching this part of the vlog, step it up a letter. Like, I want those people, as long as ngifaka amavinye ngathi ngiyabona sengikhipha amadradi ngifaka amavinye. So I'm in a good space right now. I just feel like I just need to take things easy. But Mina, as your big sister, I'll always advise you, don't take men seriously, especially Ozobathola manje December. They look good, they all yummy, they got problems, these people. January is coming, my baby, I understand that. But don't take men seriously. Men don't love us. At the end of the day, he's gonna drop you at some point. So you always need to have backup of some sort. So I will see you on the next vlog. Please be patient with me. I'm trying to collect as much as I can in my life, and the girlies showed up, and your orders are definitely gonna make their way to you. Just hang in there. We're still, you know, preparing data, because next week in Yavala, so I just want to finish up work and all of those things. But from me to you, it's nothing but love and light, and enjoy your life, enjoy your December. Drink, eat, you got nothing to lose, because at the end of the day,
Violina Catrolina, baby pretty mini mime, baby pumula mamina, iano mime mina. Guys. Big Baller just stepped into the chat. Do you know those guys that we date, ne? We don't date necessarily, but like they are there, they are moneyed, and then they don't give us attention for like a good 3-6 months. Well, guess who just called me this morning? Oh the Big Baller uyangivonela angitshela ukuthi bekangicabanga ungikhumbulile, and when am I available? Ucela ukungibona before unyaka uphela. Oh, bawo, ezos words, because ndiyazi ba ezos words lasana zizawubuya nento ezi right. So I was like, no, you can't. ngiyatholakala angiyindawo. So I'm going to him. So Big Baller, angeke ngize ngimbale kakhulu because unama disappearing act. Yabona njengoba manje abuyile, ngenzeka mhlawumbe ngiyombona ngoMarch or ngoDecember futhi, and I'm not bothered because whenever the Big Baller is in town or wherever the Big Baller wants us to hang out, he makes sure he goes all out. Like, he goes all out. So I am preparing myself for that. So in December, guys, busy ne mara ngicela ukuthi ninga yabona ne, if there's one thing ezami indaba ngizozizwa ngami. And don't take men seriously. Those things don't love us. Those things, they don't love us. Love yourself, my love. Love yourself, because men don't love us. Now I know, isn't I'm telling you. You have an P? 3 boyfriends right now and 1 girlfriend. The chill that my goal is 5. So go, I'm still on 3. I'm still getting to 5. None of us, we lose soldiers along the way, but I will make it to the 5 I want. You, Sana. So okay, the Big Baller is gonna be big balling. So I'll see you on the next vlog. Come on, South Africa. I know I'm not talking about ne. I'm talking about a Big Baller. If you've been following my videos from back in my stories, I've told you, I've hinted somewhere about a Big Baller. A happy birthday, Beyonce, Beyonce. A happy birthday, Beyonce. A happy birthday, Beyonce. A happy birthday, Beyonce, Beyonce. If there's anything, guys, I told you. These things don't love us. These things called men. If you take men seriously, you shall perish, my sister. Men, we love them. They don't love, we love them. You know, I can't live without a man. I don't see myself being single. So there has to be somebody that fills in a gap for somebody, because I don't think I can function. Yo. So now, meet Mr. Baller. Mr. Baller, Big Baller. That's a Big Baller again. No. That's a Big Baller. So we are upping the scales a bit. Lana, we are not talking lunch dates. We're not talking free food. This is big machines. This is big machinery. This is heavy machinery that needs to be guarded. This is Blue Light Brigade. This is get on another level. So I am going there, Mina. You're not going to tell me otherwise. Everything is good. But I got a missed call from Mr. Clicks also. Like, I don't know, Uguti, is he doing a return soldier type of thing? But remember, I said to you, my goal is 5. Even if we lose soldiers along the way, my goal is 5. I need 5 boyfriends. I don't want stress, Mina. And for stress, loka better. I want to be able to run to this one. Loka bukurusha. You understand? I don't want stress. Because I love bombing. Lo, we must go to this one as love bombing. Like, that's how it goes. Don't take men seriously. Don't take men seriously. Take ashwagandha. And then once you're done, go through it. Then move on to the next guy. So it's very nice out here where I'm at. It's just that we have a girlfriend now, and she's so cute. They are texting, she calls, but in chill, my Yvonne. If she's not a Yvonne, I can't settle for that. You see, we always meet men that can never afford us. Like, men afford us. Like, will just think about, like, even Mr. Gucci's money, it's minimal. Ngogo, Big Baller affords. He affords everything in this planet. Big Baller. Yes. So, Big Baller, I have to humble myself because I love his money, Shem. So I'm gonna go there and then I'll come back with an update. Big Baller. But you know, Mosmna, I'll keep you in the loop with these things. So she's so busy, guys. Guys. We are not backing down. That's because we see Team Tina. We are supposed to be one up. So make sure that the good things happen. But I will see you on the next one. Let me rest. I am tired of running these streets. Oh Lord, oh shit, oh.